Guys, I'm starting my mother's vlog for today. And today we are going to Five Fest with Kennedy.
Where we going?
Six Flags.
Okay, let's roll.
You realize I'm
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
I am tired from yesterday. Those girls totally wore me out at Six Flags. It was freezing out there, and they refused to leave until the park closed. So, yeah, that was my day yesterday.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. Going with the gut, never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet.
Hey, everyone. Say hi, Pep. Say hi, Pep, Pep. Say hi, Pep, Pep. Say hi, Pep, Pep. Hi, Pep, Pep. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new, thank you for subscribing, and if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can know when I come on. You can also hit the notification button. That's when you'll know when I come on. But anyway, if you're here, thank you for watching. Today, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna share with you some of my favorite and most used Amazon items. So I'm gonna start off with some of the stuff that I have for this kitchen, and there's one particular item that I use all the time in the kitchen, faithfully, and it's from Amazon. I'm gonna share that with you in one sec. I had to put pepper down, but most used is my oil dispenser, and I did get this from Amazon. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite buys at Amazon, and when you pour the oil, you just have to hold the top and pour like that. So I got this one, and this just holds my plain olive oil that I have in my kitchen. It sits right next to my stove on one of my wood risers, and I use it all the time. I love how it looks. I love the aesthetic of it. It's just really nice. I love it. I also have this square one that I also got from Amazon. Same way, you pour it like that. This one though, I have some garlic. If you look closely, I do have some garlic in there and some thyme. This is my flavored oil, so it has garlic flavor, that thyme flavor. When I cook, I use this one. So these are my two most used items, and they are from Amazon. Moving on to another kitchen item I got from Amazon, and it's this little mincer. And I usually mince my garlic in here, or anything you want to mince up that's not too big, and you just open it up, you put it in there, and then you just press the button and it minces like that. So this is one of my favorite, and I do always use this for my garlic, or if I want to mince up onions, peppers, anything like that. I use this little tiny gadget. So anything I show you, I'm going to list below. So if you want to grab it from Amazon. Another thing, I have my soap and lotion dispensers for my bathroom, and this is in the guest bathroom down here. And it came with just like this with the sketching on it, and I have one for the soap and another one for the lotion. So these are both from Amazon, and these are used every day. Yeah, just grabbed it out my bathroom a few minutes ago. Another thing is this little tray. I got this from Amazon as well. And this little tray, I use it in the bathroom to put the lotion and the soap on. So all 3 items came from Amazon, and that's how it looks. So another thing that I got from my bathroom from Amazon is this paper dispenser. Now, I had the paper towel roll in there, and I kept trying to find something to use. You know, they do have the trays where you can put, you know, paper hand towels in for guests. But if I use those, if I had company over, they will be gone in a few. So I saw this one on Amazon, and it's a paper dispenser, and it fits right on the side on your counter in the bathroom, and you can just grab paper towel and use it. And to fill it up, you just open it up like this, and let me show you. Let me put you just open it up like this, and then you can stack the paper in there. Oh, I'm showing it the wrong way. So to open it up, you press these 2 buttons right there, and it'll pop open, and that's where you stack the paper in. And the paper, of course, I purchased on Amazon. And it snaps right back down, and that's how it looks. So those are my most used items. I'll also show you how the paper looked when I ordered from Amazon. And so for the paper holder, you also can purchase the packs of paper on Amazon, the paper towels, and you can put that down. And you can also buy these in bulk. And I'll link everything that I showed you below of all these favorite items that I got at Amazon. Also, all of my curtains actually are from Amazon. So I'm going to take this camera off the tripod and show you around my house some of the curtains that I got from Amazon. All the sheer curtains in my home. This is in my breakfast room. They are all from Amazon. I'll link those at the bottom below. These are just some white sheer curtains, and these are the, I think, 108-inch. I also purchased the rods from Amazon. Those are the curtain rods up there. Let me get a better look. Get you a better look. Curtain rods are from Amazon as well. So those are from Amazon. And also, I'll take you to my dining room. Never mind. Well, this is my formal dining room. And never mind the mess in here, because some of these things that's sitting on top of here, I'm selling. But I also got these curtains right here from Amazon. And this is my formal dining room. And I got those curtains from Amazon as well. So this is a space that I haven't shared because it's not complete, but I'll give you a look at it. Has the 2 chandeliers and the table. These chairs were originally in my morning room, but I put them in here temporarily. So still styling in here. Don't know what I'm gonna do as yet, but I love the wallpaper. I love the chandelier. I love the curtains. I don't love the chairs. The chairs are too casual for in here. I don't want them in here. I love them. They're going to eventually go in the basement. The table, I was going back and forth and if I want to change this table to a wood table, but I feel like I'm going to keep the glass table because I already have a wood table in my morning room, so I'm going to keep it. I'm just going to get some new chairs to go with it. And the same thing with the buffet. I was going back and forth about the buffet, if I want to change it, but I think I'm going to keep it because I'm going to have a different, keep this look in the dining room. Once I get the chairs, because they're going to be some upholstered chairs, so it's really going to look good. So that's that. And that's that for the dining room. Over on this side, I have my flex room, which I turned into a sitting room, but there's a lot going on in there. I'll share it with you. So this is the sitting room. Let me put the light on, which doesn't really, let me put this other light on over here. I don't know if that'll help. But this is my sitting room, okay? I do have some chairs up over here, and I have just a bunch of junk in here. I have my Kings of Christmas tree that I'm doing a partnership with, so I cannot wait to put that up. And these are just some of my florals that I'm trying to put away. I do have them all in bins. I just need a bigger bin for it. So this is my entry. These chairs I'm selling. Somebody's supposed to come pick them up, so they've been sitting here. So that's just some of the sections of the home that I really haven't showed because they're not finished. So, but just sharing that with you. What else we have going on today? Today, I'm not cooking dinner. No, I'm not. I'm not going to cook dinner today. I think I'm just going to order. Maybe we'll do some Chinese food or something like that. But that's all I'm doing today. So I just wanted to jump on here just to share some of my favorite finds from Amazon and just to chit chat a little bit. Most of the day I've been just lazy, just hanging around being lazy and haven't done much. I woke up with a super bad headache, took something for it, but I'm feeling so much better. But just wanted to jump on here. I'm going to link everything that I shared with you below. And if you have any comments about it, you can let me know, but I will definitely link it. And if I can't find it, I'll link something similar. So that's it for today, y'all. And I hope to see you soon. Come back on Wednesday and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Say
Yeah,
bye.
it looks so weird. Bye.
Bye. Look at Pat. Hey, Pat. Hey, Pat. Hey, Pat. Hey, Pat. Hey, Pat.